back, friends. It's the first week of October. Everybody's already freaking out over Halloween, but let us encourage you. There's a healthy alternative to the sugary treats. Ooh,
yes.
Sound effects.
We have cookbook author Danielle Walker here to show us how to keep Halloween fun and healthy. Danielle, what do you have here? Because this looks beautiful.
Yeah, so I brought 3 different treats for my celebrations book for you.
Thank
Everything
you.
is gluten-free, dairy-free. You still want your kids to be able to celebrate, right? So we can start with these witch's finger breadsticks.
Yeah, what are
They're
they?
made with almond flour. They have rosemary and garlic, and then you put a little almond at the end to make this like kind of creepy nail.
Look at
and
the
you
little nail.
If you get your kids involved, they can help you shape the knuckles, and you kind of use a knife to make little wrinkles in the skin, and then you dip them in a little marinara to make them kind of spooky.
Bloody.
Yeah, a little.
It's really good.
Delicious.
They're really fun to serve for Halloween. And then, of course, if it's not Halloween, you know, you can just make them into normal breadsticks as well and still serve them with that. And then I have a dairy-free chocolate pudding. I always loved the kind of dirt cups, you know, with the cookies crumbled on top.
Yeah, as a
I
kid, for
actually
sure.
make homemade gummy worms. You just do like a healthier Jell-O and you put it into a straw and squeeze it out.
That's
but you can
brilliant.
always skip a step and go buy them at your grocery store as well. And then I do grain-free, gluten-free paleo cookies that I crumble on top of the pudding, but of course you can also skip another step and of course, you know, go and buy that
Do
as well.
your
But
kids realize how cool you are as a mom that you're making healthy gummy worms?
Yeah, do they
That's
know
not
it's
every day.
I mean, they know it's healthy, but I don't know that they know that that's not like abnormal for all kids because they've just grown up with it. So,
awesome.
you know, you guys can try this too. And then these are nut-free spider cookies. They're kind of like a peanut butter tasting cookie. And then we have spiders that we pipe into the center with chocolate. They're soft and chewy, and the chocolate on top is
So
like
what do you
my
make
favorite
that?
part.
What do you make that stuff out of?
So I actually use sunflower seed butter in this, so it's a nut-free kind of school-safe alternative to peanut butter. I thought I'd give you guys a chance to decorate your own. Apparently they're only giving you 10 seconds to put those spiders in there. So you have sprinkles that are dye-free, you have frosting, you have chocolate. You guys can go at it and make, you already have like the little thumbprint in there. You can do your spider. You can use one of these, you know, to go off of, or you can just have fun and do whatever
All
you
right,
want.
let's
You
do
could
our
do like a
own.
little web.
And you're judging?
I'm gonna be judging.
You're competitive and so am I.
Oh, so am I. That's
Let's
why it's
go.
good that I'm just watching.
All right,
Go
10
ahead.
seconds on the clock. Here we go.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah. See, you just, ooh.
10 seconds only? Come on.
Yeah.
I know, it's
Like
pretty,
20.
I need more than that even, so.
Ooh, yeah.
Yes. I like that.
You see, you
Oh,
just.
geez, that's...
Yeah.
That's perfect. That is creepy. That's perfect. Okay.
Look at that.
Is that our 10 second? Is that our 10
To me,
okay.
this is a beautiful cookie. If you want to get a zoom in.
You know what?
You know, if we were judging on beauty, I would say that, but this is like Halloween creepiness.
This
It's
is
like
dirt.
the worms sticking out of it and the dirt. I have to say that I think you've won.
I also
Sorry.
did
Wow, it's
extra
all right,
I'm
Yeah.
sorry. I know we go way back.
Yeah,
right?
we do. It's. I thought it'd be nice to have you back on the show again, but I don't know now.
Actually, do you want to try this?
Sure.
The winning cookie.
Okay.
I feel like
I'll
she's
try
afraid to try it.
It's really good.
Hey.
Danielle, you're awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me back.
Oh my gosh, anytime. If you want to check out Danielle's recipes, it's very simple. Right there, the book is called Celebration. So many people are talking about it, and thank you for caring about what's on the inside of us, and we still want to have fun by eating it. So
Yeah,
it's good stuff
thank
to talk
you.
about.
Thanks so much.
Thank you. All right. Coming up, the A-lister who's the ultimate Insta BF. We are celebrating National Boyfriend's Day.
Then we're going to be talking fame with Queer Eye's Jonathan Van Ness.
I haven't shared this with anyone, and I'm scared to